We got balloons, we got flags, we got drapes, we got dancing, we got a Burj Khalifa on a yacht. That's the first time I've ever seen a Burj Khalifa on a yacht. Fantastic stuff. Happy 49th National Day to everybody on board Stealth. Happy Minwala, fantastic effort. Let's hope they don't crash into that taxi. Some great manoeuvring from the captain there. We're going to get extra points for that. One of the biggest criteria today is on-board participation, and everybody on board Stealth today look like they're having a fantastic national day, celebrating this wonderful union. We're raising balloons